Hi everyone. In the previous session, we talked about what are the different types of operators, and now I will just tell you about like some basic tricks of how to use that, like simple, basic, common operators. So let's start. So basically, the first I will tell you about the modulus operator, which is mostly commonly used operators, and I will tell you like modulus with 10 for using the last digit. So this is like just a technique to use the last digit. I will just tell you the example basically first. So suppose here you have taken a number as 3,456,456. So here I want to fetch it out the last digit only. If suppose somebody will tell you, somebody will ask you like how you will print just last digit, what you will do. This is very simple. A modulus 10. That's it. So how you will prove that a modulus 10 will give you the last digit? See, my answer should be 6 only. Whatever the answer, whatever the last digit will be there, suppose 9. Now that will give you the last digit irrespective to the numbers before that, like 3 4 5 or whatever the number be before that. Irrespective of that, I'm going to fetch it out the last digit of any number easily and within the single unit operation. So this is very easy. So basically, whenever you will divide this one, the remainder of this, when you are dividing with the 10, that remainder should be 2. I mean, the remainder should be the last digit of that particular number. So this is very good idea to finding out the last digit. Now I will tell you about how to use to remove the last digit with 10, to remove the last digit. Now this is very simple. Like what I'm going to do here. Now suppose I am just finding out the result that a divide by 10. So what I'm going to do, this a divide by 10 is a divide by 10 is like my answer should be 345.2. So basically this will give you in the point, but I want to finding out the result with removing the last digit. So this will give you 345.2, right? So basically, if I will convert this answer into the integer, so that will give you the exact result. Okay, exact result here integer. I will just check it out the answer. You can just check it out. The 345 is the remaining answer. That means the 2 is already removed. But think and just go with the previous class example with the operator. So I told you that there is a one operator which will give you the integer operation, that will be the nothing but the two division operators. When you use this particular operator, this will be called as the integer division. So whatever the answer will be there, that will give you the integer division. So my answer should be 345.2, but integer division will give you the selected result, that is 345. That means 2 is get removed here. I'm just run the program. I'll just run the program. You can just check out the output. Yes, correct, 345. Okay, and see, I will just change the number here. So don't be confused. Whatever there is your number, irrespective to the number and the digits, my answer should be remove the digits, remove the last digit, and my answer should be all the digits except the last digit. So that's it. And I will tell you the last one. Now suppose if I am going to just finding out the question part. Okay, for question part, so that is also will be commonly used, that I have already told you in the previous example, but then also I will let you know now. Like suppose I am talking about 45 and I am going to finding out with the help of 9. So what is my basically the result here? A divide by b. So what is my basically the result? 9 fives are 45, right? 9 fives are 45. So my answer should be 5, not 0. My answer should be 5, not 0. Here I am not mention as remainder, I mean the modulus. If I will just mention as the modulus, you can just check out the result here. My answer should be 0, because remainder, if I am asking, that means if the 45 is fully divisible by 9, that means I am talking about the fully division factor. So if it is I am talking about the modulus, that means I am talking about the remainder. If I am talking about the simple one division, I am talking about the floating part of that particular number, numerator and the denominator. So basically, I am talking about the quotient part. My quotient part is the 5.0. And why it is not only 5, why it is 5.0? Because I am taking here as the single division operator. If I am talking about the integer division answer, my answer should be 5 only. That's it. Okay, so that's it for now, and for the next lecture I will just tell you about the conditional statements. So see you in the next one.